How to create line chart or line graph in Excel. So ensure your data is organized in at least two columns. So here I have added some of the text, right? And the first column should contain the x-axis values, like for example data or categories here. The second column should have the y-axis value, the data you want to visualize, right? So this one is the first, right? So I will just write here first one, and this is the second one, right? By the way, the data is, for example, let me change out the data, right? So for example, we'll just write here 10, 20, 30, and 40. Right, now highlight the range of data you want to include in the chart, including the header if applicable. For example, if your data is in column A and B, select those columns. So let me just select each and everything here. And once I select, go to the insert tab. Right here in the insert tab, in the chart group, click on the insert line or area chart icon. Now here you will see this option under the chart. There's a several ways. For example, this is a scatter or bubble chart here. This is a line. So I will select here. Now choose your preferred line chart style, such as a line with markers or a simple 2D line chart. So I like this one, right? Or this is also good. So let's say I'm just going to select this is a 3D one. So you can select the 3D one here. So the 3D one looks cool here. So I will use this one, right? So for example, you can see here, right now the exactly the first column is the y-axis, and the sorry for yeah first axis, first column is in the x-axis and the second column is in the y-axis. So if you want to change, you can change the data, right? And this is how you can just create a line chart in Excel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.